In this video I will outline the differences between UI testing and automated testing using our product testimony. I will use an example from the tourism industry where we have a first step in a booking process that sets the market values. The step is actually called determine market. What it will show you that if a requested country is Belgium and destination is Belgium, then it substitute a brand name. It specifies whether an ID is required. It will actually set a price multiplier and a URL. If we change the destination country, so we go from Belgium to Switzerland, then the ID required will be yes, and we have a different multiplier. Something similar will happen if we choose from France to France, so we're going to stay in France, then we have a different price multiplier. In each case, this would be a step in a process that need to be tested. This can be done in a much more sophisticated way. What we have created, this is actually a result of our real project work. We created a spreadsheet format using the TDD principles of defining test cases. So we actually supply values in the various attributes. After that we specify, okay, what do we expect? Now this could actually be done and should actually be done by people from the business, because that's where the test cases come from. So we have the input values here, we have the expected values here, and we have what basically is the outcome. We expect, we get. By running Test-to-Me, it will actually show you the values that come from running against the Harmony instance. So using all the input values here, it will retrieve data and match it against the expectations. So in each case we will get either a success or a fail. Now it's always smart to have tests that pass the test and tests that fail the test, just to ensure that some things won't work. The other thing is, even if we leave out stuff, so we don't know which website to expect, it will still be able, or in this case the brand name, it will still be able to supply the brand name. Meaning that if we truly believe the values that are retrieved, we can use those as expected values. This in case we create new versions of the software. So what you see now is that all the tests have been run. The success are green, the fail are kind of reddish, and one we have skipped, because these are actually part of a new release of that application. This is actually a very simple way of testing using the Test-to-Me platform.